Hey there. So, do you want more money in your life? If so, great. I'm here to help you with that. I'm going to show you a easy money grid that you can create at home with things that you have around your house. Okay? And then the very first thing you need to know about any type of grid is it's all about your intention. So when you're doing this grid, you want to have the intention that it's going to manifest money. All right. So very first thing is I'm going to just have it on this platform. This is glass. You don't need it on a platform, but you want to have it somewhere that's out away from, because you want to leave it alone. So you want it not in your way, basically. So very first thing that you need is money. All right. So it is a money grid. You definitely need money. Now, this is money you're not going to take out of the grid. So if you need that money, don't put it in your grid. All right. So very first thing is you're going to lay the money onto a platform or onto a desk. It doesn't have to have a platform. That's up to you. Now, I'm going to show you with points of crystals. So if you have crystal points, awesome. If you don't have them, then you're going to have to just create whatever you have at your house. So I'm going to show you. Very first thing is you're going to have 5 crystal points. All right. You're going to create. Now I'm using towers. If you have towers, you can totally use towers as well. Link them together and, well, you can't see the points, but they're there. And then I'm going to throw in some clear. So if you realize you're making a circle around your money. That's what you're doing. A circle with points where they are pointing back to one another. So it's literally a huge circle of 5 crystals. Mines are towers and points and what's, okay? So use what you have, but the whole purpose is when you're putting this together is to make you have more money in your life. Now, to complete this, you're going to take 5 things that you love, right? And you're going to put it in the center of the grid. I love Buckeyes, so I got Buckeyes. This is a little money tree frog guy, so I'm going to put that there. I love more crystals. Oh, a shiny one. And let's just go with a little tiny blue one. Da-da! There is the money grid right there. So again, use the stuff you have at your home to make this. If you're interested in purchasing these grids, please check out my website, which I will have in the description below. Have a great day manifesting.